Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number. Visit our website for more horoscope updates, link is given on video description. Thanks for watching my videos. Sheep Horoscope 2020. A look at the year ahead. Sheep Horoscope 2020 predicts that you are bound to have your life changed a little this year. You are likely to be more spontaneous this year, but more secret about your affairs as well. You will want your life to be more private, which is just one of the many changes that you are bound to make this year. Working on your general personality, and trying to transform yourself into a better you, will make your year great in the Chinese year 2020 of the white metal rat. The goat or sheep is one of the signs in the Chinese zodiac. While many people may not think of the goat as having many good personality traits, people who are born in the year of the sheep do. People that are born in the year of the goat are said to be intelligent, creative, anxious, stubborn, messy, and stylish. All of these traits can affect these people's personalities, which can affect how they interact with their Chinese horoscope for 2020. 2020 sheep predictions for love. Will sheep be lucky in love in 2020? Since you are likely to be more spontaneous this year, your love life will be more spontaneous as well. If you are single, then this is your time to strike. Your charm will seem like it has reached its peak this year. It will be hard for anyone to resist your charms. If you are already in a relationship, then you can easily see how your charm and seduction can help you out. Things are about to get hot and passionate this year for the Chinese ram or sheep. So, try to be prepared for everything that 2020 is about to throw your way. While your romantic life is about to speed up, your social life with your friends and family will seem to slow down in 2020. While things are slowing down, it may be easier to speak your mind. You will also have fewer responsibilities with family matters. Will sheep have a baby in 2020? Will single sheep get married in 2020? That depends on how well you are able to improve your relations. Sheep 2020 career astrology. Goat 2020 predictions foretell your career will flow smoothly this year as long as you get to know your superiors and co-workers better. These people will be the stepping stones that you need if you want to get ahead or advance in your career. If you can use your creative ideas at work in a productive way, then do it. Your special talents will help you to stand out in the workplace. Progress in your career will be difficult and slow at times. But if you persevere, then you are sure to succeed. Sheep 2020 finance. When it comes to your finances, sheep will be in luck in 2020. You should have enough money to pay off all of your expenses easily. And you may even have some money left over to use for pleasure instead of bills and debts. Budget carefully and you will be sure to have enough money for the necessities and the fun things in life as well. Year of the sheep predictions for health. Sheep, your health may be a little down this year, so you will want to try to reverse this. Beginning to exercise more, eat healthier foods, and reducing your stress levels are all great ways to do this. Try to get some of your bad habits as well to make yourself as healthy as possible in 2020.